Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Nginx server blocks on an AWS Lightsail instance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable Nginx server blocks on your AWS Lightsail instance, begin by connecting to your instance via SSH. Use your preferred terminal and input the command to establish the SSH connection. Once connected, navigate to the Nginx configuration directory. Typically, this is located at /etc/Nginx/sites available. List all the files in this directory to identify the server block you wish to disable. Open the specific server block configuration file you want to modify. You can use a text editor like Nano or Vim to open the file. In the configuration file, look for the line that begins with server. To disable this server block, you can simply comment out the entire block. To do this, add a hashtag at the beginning of each line in the block. Alternatively, you can remove the relevant server block altogether if you prefer. After making your changes, save and close the text editor. Next, test the Nginx configuration for syntax errors. Run the command sudo nginxt in your terminal. If there are no errors, reload the Nginx service to apply the changes. You can do this using the command sudo systemcll reload nginx. Finally, confirm that the server block has been successfully disabled. You can do this by accessing your server's IP address in a web browser. If properly disabled, you should not see the content served by that server block anymore. This completes the procedure for disabling Nginx server blocks on your AWS Lightsail instance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.